In this video, I will demonstrate how we can do a rolling update for a Microsoft SQL Server database. We'll just use a simple example where I'll create a database table with an ID first name and last name, which will be populated by a simple bash script and a CSV file. So the first step is to create this table. And then I'll start the bash script, which reads the CSV file and inserts the first name and last name into the database for each second. So I'll just start this script now. Okay. And if we take a look at the employees table, then we can see the table is being populated by the script. Now, we want to replace the full name and the last name by a full name field. To do this, we'll have to take a couple of steps because we do not want to take the database down and we just want to keep the applications operational. So to do this, we'll first add the full name field to the employee table. We'll create a trigger that merges the first name and the last name into the full name for records that are being inserted by the old application at the moment. So, and as we have a look now at the employee table, we can see the full name column is added and the values are being populated for the new records. And as a last step, we'll just make sure that existing records also will be populated, which is done by a simple update statement. And as we can see now, all values are populated in the full name column. Which means that now we can take down the old application that is populating the first name and the last name, which is done by stopping this script. All right, I'll just force it. The fields are still, the records are still there. Now we'll start a new script that is inserting into the employee table just the full name field. All right, we'll run it. And as we can see that right now only the full name column is being populated. As a last step, we'll just have to do some cleaning up. So first we'll drop the trigger that was merging the full name, first name and the last name, and we'll just delete the first name and the last name columns from the employee table. And as we can see, the first name and the last name are now replaced by the full name column, which means we have done a successful rolling update.